Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Redmi Note 9. So this phone has a plastic back and frame, the color looks pretty good and the phone feels nice in the hand. On the front we have a 6.53-inch IPS display with 1080p and Gorilla Glass 5. Also it has a hole punch camera on the left side and a small bezel on the bottom. The display is pretty good in my opinion, the colors are accurate, but you might notice that the brightness isn't as good as other phones. If you use your phone outside in direct sunlight, you might find it hard to see your display. Otherwise, in normal lighting conditions, there should be no problem. The phone also comes with a transparent case and a pre-installed screen protector, which is a bonus. On the bottom we have a headphone jack, a USB Type-C, which actually supports 18-watt fast charging, and a speaker. Finally, on the back we have 4 camera modules and a fingerprint scanner, along with a flash on the side. Also there is an IR blaster on the top, which is great if you want to use your phone as a remote. So here is a quick sound test to see how good is the speaker.
Is it okay if I'm the same? I'm catching feelings from all the defense. I might stray.
As for the hardware, we have the MediaTek Helio G85 with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. As you can expect, the phone handles day-to-day tasks without any issue and rarely stutters. As for gaming, it works fine. As you can see, it runs Brawl Stars without any issue at 60 FPS. As for more intensive games like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty, it becomes harder to play because it often lags. Also, this phone does not support Fortnite. As for the cameras, the Redmi Note 9 has 4 cameras, a 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide, a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro camera. So here are some photo samples of each of the cameras. As you can see, the image is sharp and has great detail. However, like other budget phones, the Redmi Note 9 struggles in low light situations. Also, it cannot record in 4K or 60 FPS. The phone comes out of the box with MIUI 12 and Android 10. It also has 18GB already used. As for the battery, it has a 5020 mAh battery with 18W fast charging. The phone lasts about 7 to 8 hours of screen on time, so you can use it for about 2 days without charging if you're careful. The charging takes about 2.5 hours with the 18W fast charger that comes in the box. Also, one feature that is worth mentioning is NFC, because a lot of Chinese phones in this price range often lack NFC, so if that's something you're looking for, it's there. Overall, this phone is a good buy with a great display and awesome features that even higher end phones don't have, like an IR blaster or a headphone jack. It will get the job done for normal day-to-day use and light gaming. So if you're willing to sacrifice a little bit of camera quality and you don't plan on doing some intensive gaming, this phone is a good buy at $150. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.